everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on learning our reinforced low chop or Hadan Pseudo Maki.
Hadan Soo Do Maki. So,
One more time. Hadan
Hadan
Pseudo
Soo Do
Maki.
Maki.
Good. So for our reinforced chop, the chopping hand is going to come up to our neck like a low block, but the hand is going to be open. The chambering hand is going to come to our body like we're sticking it in our pocket, but we're not. And the thumb is lined up at the top of the belt. Good. These are always done in fighting stances. They are never not done in a fighting stance. So he's going to step out into a fighting stance. He's going to twist, bring it down. This one is going to block, and I call it block the dog, hold the snack. Block the dog, hold the snack. It's silly, but it'll help you remember it. And reset.
So,
Load from the opposite side. Blocking hands on top. Loading hands, step, bring it down. Block the dog, hold the snack. Good, and reset. Once more to the side on the target. Load, step, and block.
hiya.
Good. Now, real quick, I do want to talk about, we do have a variation of this block for advanced students called the Cheo Hadan. So we're just going to go ahead and demonstrate that. The stance, this chop stays the exact same, except for he's going to extend his fighting stance to a lowest of low. Back leg completely straight, or back leg bent, lead leg completely straight, and the same position with the back straight. Good, and once more from the side. So that's only for advanced students, so you can practice it. It feels really cool when you get it down. But that is our low chop, reinforced low chop, or Hadan Pseudo Maki in Korean. Practice what you learned, make it rock.